YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today we're going to see if it's possible to do a ceramic coating by yourself at home. So the process is going to require me to first wash the painted surface, then I'm going to hit it with the clay bar to get up any imperfections, compound it, clean it up with some stuff that will remove any residue, and finally apply the ceramic coating. So I'm just going to do the hood of the Avalanche. It's a 2004 Avalanche. Paint's in pretty good condition. I like to keep it that way. It's seen a lot of shade in its lifetime. It started out being parked at work in covered parking, and that certainly saved a lot of the appearance of it. And so despite being 14, 15 years old now, almost 15 I guess, it doesn't look like a 15-year-old vehicle, so I like to keep it that way. Alright, so we're going to start off just washing the hood, get it really clean. And then of course a good rinse. So just knead the clay into the shape you want. And I didn't dry the hood, I just left it wet after the wash, and add the clay lube as well, and just basically go back and forth and make sure you cover the whole surface. Then I washed it after the clay. I'll get some flack for this, but I normally dry with the water blade and then the microfiber towel. Now I applied the compound by hand, basically just to show that it can be done and get good results. If you have a buffer, obviously you can use that too. I use more of a back and forth motion instead of a circular motion whenever I hand buff anything. And this is the shop safe grease and oil remover, just kind of a final step. Just spray it on and wipe it off. The instructions said put 5 drops on it initially, and then each time thereafter just add 2 drops. And basically just what I found worked the best was wipe it on and then overlap each additional pass, and you start getting to where it goes from kind of dry passes to wetter passes, and just basically get it as smooth as you can. After 5 to 15 minutes of dry time, wipe it down with a damp microfiber cloth, and then buff it with a dry microfiber cloth. And you can really see the water beads up really well after the treatment. We'll see how long that lasts. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And please share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.